If you want to cancel your Yuba subscription, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process goes smoothly. Step 1. Open the Uber app. Launch the Uber app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into the account associated with the subscription you wish to cancel. Step 2. Access your account. Tap on the menu icon, usually located in the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Go to your subscription. In the account settings, look for the Uber Pass or subscription option. Tap on it to view the details of your current subscription. Step 4. Cancel the subscription. Once you are in the subscription details, find the option to cancel your subscription. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Step 5. Check for confirmation. After cancelling, you should receive a confirmation message or email indicating that your subscription has been successfully cancelled. Make sure to check for this confirmation to ensure the process is complete. By following these steps, you can easily cancel your Uber subscription. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Uber support for assistance.